Once again, getting you a global destination inspired by the world's top business districts, Navi Mumbai's first of its kind business destination by Raheja Universal, presenting to you Prime at World Trade Center. Giving you a brief about this project in specific, out of the 60 acres of the land parcel in total, this project, that is Prime at World Trade Center, covers approximately 2.5 acres of the land parcel, in which we have G plus 39-story tall tower, and they have 8 levels of ample car parking. On the 6th level, you have your open friendly space for your amenities. You can have cafeteria, lounge areas, multi-purpose court. So they are very mindful about your co-friendly environment. Apart from that, talking about the glass facade office spaces, so the carpet areas are starting from 526 square feet and goes up till 3621 square feet. So they have multiple variations in their carpet areas for the office spaces that I'll be showing you next in this video itself. So talking about the connectivity now, as this project is located in the prime areas of Navi Mumbai in Juinagar, which is very well connected to all the areas. Like Juinagar railway station is just 5 minutes walkable distance. Apart from that, Navi Mumbai International Airport is approximately 20 minutes from here, and upcoming Kharghar Turbe tunnel is also just 15 to 20 minutes approximately from here. And you can also connect to GNPT road from here, that is very well connected. This is bank on the Thane Belapur road, and Sain Panvel highway is also well connected to this area. So this was about the well connectivity that I have given you, and also the project overview. Now I shall be showing you the sample office. Let's go. Now you're getting into our premium office spaces starting from your entrance, and as you can see, you're getting this lobby space. For it, the statement of luxury, and we are now entering into our very spacious office space, and more than 30 people can efficiently come into this office, and more than 10 desks can be set up. As you can see, warm shell finishing you're getting in this office space, and with double glass facade windows, you're getting 2 cabins. As you can see, I'll show it to you right now. So you can see that a conference table can be set very easily. The floor to ceiling height for the office spaces is 14 feet, and the architecture is done by P&T Groups of Architecture. Now I shall show you the pantry space, and you're getting the premium pantry fittings just the way as you can see, with attached washroom and sanitary fittings given to you. So this was our office space, and the pricing for the office spaces is starting from 1.15 CR plus taxes, and they also have payment plans like CLP. So you should be starting your booking now, and also visit the site. For more information and details, contact us today on the given information below. Until next time, thank you.